You have faith in the fact that you can drive. Yes, it is not blind. You are confident in someone's ability. So faith is not blind. Someone did something, you saw it. It also says to follow through on a promise. So I'll be there at 8. I know people who say to me they'll be there at 8. Listen, they're there at 7:45. And I'm like, come on, man, that's not 8 o'clock. That's early. But allegedly, if you're not there 15 minutes, 20 minutes prior, you're late. Please. If they say, I'll be there and I will get this done on this day, they show up. On that day, they get it done. Over and over and over. You can set your clock to them. If they say they're going to be there, they'll be there and they'll get it done. No complaining, no nothing. Just they follow through on what they said they would do. So naturally, faith is built. So that means faith and trust are sounding like the same word, almost interchangeable. So your faith is not something you can lose.